Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the EGR map from a Tiguan 2006. We're going to use the professional EGR remover software. Once it's opened up, just go down to Volkswagen and EDC 16U34. That's the ECU in this car. And we'll go for the original file. And it's found the EGR map and it's asking you to remove it. Click OK and save it under the new name. If you want, you can also do one more thing. If you've got the DPF removed, you can open that file and it finds the EGR in that as well, and you can save that as the DPF and EGR file. So now you've done both of them, and if you need that saved, you can just save that. So this file would have both of them removed, and there's the file. There's the EGR only, and that's the DPF with the EGR, where we amended this file and took out the EGR map after the DPF map was already removed. That's it for today. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click the bell icon to get regular notifications of our new uploads.